Larry. You're doing good.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Samaj, aka Squirt the Q with Snatching Soul, back again with another video for you. And today, I got a for real unboxing. I don't know I know what's in this box, but I don't know what to expect. So, let me get to this box. It's the Lakai times Larry June collection, as you want to say. Larry June is a hot artist right now. I've been messing with my guy June. You're doing good, Larry. Good job, Larry. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I was in the corner of the box and I'm crumb. Ooh, this clean too. Golly. Hold on, let me get big thank you for shopping with Lakai. What y'all got for me? Ah, that ain't nothing. But this box, oh my goodness. Good job, Larry. Y'all see this? Got Larry June on the front. Oh, y'all heard me talking about all that good job, Larry. Give the guy on the back. Good job, Larry. Ooh. And it's a limited edition footwear on the front. Man, hey, I'm crunk right now. Hey, y'all see the excitement. Bro, this front of this box. Hey, they snap with the front of this box. I ain't gonna lie to you. They snap with that. And they got my shirt in the inside of it. Oh yeah, y'all, the same picture as right here, I got the shirt to go with it. Yes, sir. Yeah, so we're gonna get to the shoes in a sec. I'm gonna bust this shirt open. Ooh. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, I'm gonna be fresh as death. I don't even know if people still say that, but I'm saying it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now let me get to these shoes. Ooh. Oh, man. You already know. Here you go. That orange fresh squeeze. Organic, baby. Yes, sir. Paper. You know, they got the brand on it. Just regular white tissue paper. I'm going to take both out just in case it's something different. But, man, this box, y'all know I had to get a size 8 personal pair. But this box, man. Hey, this box and the Sneaker Politics time Cafe Du Monde box, hey, they were for what this year is my top ones that the top boxes and materials they put into this stuff. Man, yeah, they did it with that. I ain't gonna lie. You got an all orange, all orange up, and it's like a suede. No, it's not a suede. Nah, that's not a suede. It ain't no backstroke on it. That's a durable. It's an orange durable. You know, symbol on the side. Tongue, orange laces. I don't see no extra laces like that. Larry on the back. Wait, do we got? Ooh, yes, sir. Larry on one side, June on the other side. Oh, yes, sir. Inside, we got Larry June. Inside. Man, yes, sir. Special green sock liner. White. Ooh. Ooh. Hey. But that box what got me. And the box, these shoes, and that shirt. Man, when I tell y'all, let's get y'all another bing bang. Good job, Larry. Hey, this one got me. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wasn't expecting that box to look like that. Good job, Larry. Y'all see, I keep saying it, because that's all I'm thinking about right now. This shirt, Man, this about to be a go. This about to be a go. Man, this about to be a go. And he got the shoes on the pitch. I mean, he better have the shoes on. I mean, it's his drop. But golly. Man, look at here. Man, let me get back to this box. I got to put this box in the politics and Canada Mom box up. Both of those got to go in the back. Because these are the hottest boxes this year I've seen. Name another box. Give me one or two other boxes that go harder than them two boxes. You can't. You can't give me two boxes that go harder than two boxes. They put some preparation for this stuff. It's hard. I ain't gonna lie, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. It's hard. This is hard. So, hey, there you have it. Y'all see how excited with this live unboxing. Live unboxing. Yeah. Yeah, this is it right here. Yeah. I don't know when it's getting rocked, but it's getting rocked. This is it. So, that's the first live, real live. Pop open the box as it comes from the store. Well, out the UPS or who brought this? FedEx. Live from FedEx after they dropped it off. And I'm at the crib. But you already know. It's your boy Samaj, aka Square the Q. Snatching souls. I'm out of here. No, I'm not out of here yet. Cause get what I need y'all to do. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I'm coming with more and more content. I'm setting up a live. I don't know what name I want to name it yet. I want to call it Soul Talk. Yeah, if y'all like Soul Talk for my live name, let me know down below. Soul Talk. I like Soul Talk. I don't know why, but I like Soul Talk. If y'all got any other names y'all think I should name live, give it to me down below. Comment down below what y'all think. But alright, now we'll wrap this thing up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Y'all already know. It's your boy Samaj, aka Square the Q. With Snatching Souls. And I'm out of here. Peace.